Okay, so I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, dummy, Optic Baseball came out quite a while back. What's so exciting about that? What about football? You've been kicking ass with the football boxes. All true. Everything that you have thought or might have thought is true. But I'm worried that my luck with football, it has to come to an end. I can't just keep pulling Saquon 101s and Mayfield's to 10 out of there. So I thought, let me just hop over back to baseball. Don't forget, lest you have, that back in the day when this first came out, I pulled an Andujar green on-card autograph to 5 out of this. So I've already established a track record of having some luck with Optic Baseball before I started with my crazy run of luck with Optic Football. So here we are. That all leads us to now. I picked up 2 boxes of baseball. I'm about to open one of them. Hopefully the luck of the Optic continues on, and they get 2 autographs here, where with football, that's another thing I was thinking. Well, you get 2 autographs out of the baseball, so maybe that will increase the luck even more. We'll see. Ow, that just paper cut me. Actually, let me just go ahead and pull these out. Alright, where shall we begin? Start here and work my way across. And if nothing else, hopefully get a couple of good rookies out of the mix, maybe a couple of good parallels. Here's a good start. A rated rookie Robles. And I remembered that I really like these cards. I've always been an Optic fan. Looks like there's our first autograph. So since we called it early, we'll hang on to it. Herrera, Mookie Betts, long ball leaders, Giancarlo, Moncada Diamond Kings. Did I already go there? I think I did. Springer, Beltre, Chris Davis, long ball leaders, and there's a Glaber rookie. So yeah, I'm already feeling good about this box. A couple of decent rookies. Bregman, Bellinger. There's an Andujar, and it's the Bronx version. Kingery rated rookie. Donaldson, Montgomery, Justin Turner parallel, and Corey Kluber. Keep losing track of where I was going. Not that it really matters. Alright, Aaron Judge, Miggy Cabrera, JD Martinez parallel, Tyler Wade. Jansen, Happ, Salvador Perez, and Gohara. Gohara. Seager, Ozuna, Francisco, Charm City version rated rookie, Arenado. Andrew Miller, Segura, Chris Archer, silver, Altuve. See a little Tawny action on the back. Conforto, Arenado All-Stars, Raffy Big Stick, so a Devers short print, and Otani rated rookie. There's our other autograph. Let's check these out and then we'll see who those autos are. Cozart, Kutch, McCutcheon, Robles silver. and Nikki Delmonico. Tony Gwynn, All Stars Votto, a Votto blue to $2.99. Zach Granite. Mickey Mantle, Pedroia, Syndergaard Diamond King silver, Clint Frazier rated rookie. Ramirez, Chipper Jones, a Nicky Dubs blue rated rookie, $2.99, and not, good grief, seriously, to $2.99. It sounds like I'm saying numbered to 99. It is $2.99, and it looks like I didn't beat it up, thankfully. I gotta get control of that. Or maybe I need to go to the doctor. My motor skills are crap. Eddie Matthews, Hendricks. Oh, sweet. A Gleyber Torres silver. Oh, I dropped it. Sweet card there. Brian Dozier. Carpenter, Blackman, Ozuna Out of This World, Freddie Freeman Diamond Kings. Garrett Cole, Yu Darvish, a Frank Thomas. What is this? Red? It looks like it's faded. Like it's numbered out of 99. I'm not sure why it has the faded look. I don't know if that's on purpose or accident or bad quality. I'm not sure. Anyways, Ahmed Rosario. Alright, last pack before we check out the autograph pack. Lindor, Keuchel, Giancarlo, Year in Review, and Josh Bell. Alright, do we have the look of the Optic? Let's see. We'll go with this one first, I guess. Cano, Molina, Walker Buehler, and Walker Buehler. That is not bad. On card, rated rookie Walker Buehler. I'll take it. Sweet. Alright, Stroman, Willie Calhoun, rated rookie, Malin Marvel, Syndergaard, and it is Anthony Banda. Silver, rated rookie, again, on card. Oh yeah, I wish the Walker Buehler had been the silver parallel. But these are okay. Nothing crazy, but pretty good. And I feel like I got some decent cards in the box too, which is another reason I went and picked this up, because there was value to be found elsewhere other than just the autographs. So I am down with that. You guys know I love me some value. Okay, that's it. I got one more box. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notifications, and you'll find out what comes out of this. Alright, hope everybody's having a great week. I'll be back soon.